walking in the garden earlier today when I found a paper. It was in the treetops. So I went ahead and I climbed up the fence and I got the paper. It felt kind of bumpy, but it wasn't Braille. I checked on the computer and it wasn't Braille. So I brought it inside and tried everything I could to try to decipher it. But I had no luck. The only thing that's left is prune juice. So stick around so that my grandpa can try to decipher the paper.
Hello everybody, I'm Gonzalo from the Aram Public Library. Have you ever wondered how people in the Middle Age passed secret messages around? Today we are going to find out by doing a fun and simple experiment. So let's start. For this experiment we are gonna need a quarter of cup of baking soda, some water, a quarter of a cup of water, prune juice, 2 bowls where the solution will be put, a paintbrush and a sponge brush, and finally a paper where the message will be written. For the sake of time, I've already prepared the baking soda solution and just need to add the prune juice, and now we are ready to start writing the message on the paper. Okay, so I will start writing the message. I finished writing the message and now we have to let it dry. But to make things faster, I've already wrote the same message in another paper, and the message is, "Her skeleton shall lie in the chamber forever. Tom Riddle." And now the last step is to put the prune juice either over the paper with a foam brush or using a cookie tray. Okay, we are going to start with the first one, and we are going to spread the prune juice over the sheet, and we have to wait a little bit to get the message revealed. You can see how the message is being revealed. Her skeleton shall lie in the chamber forever. I'm going to use the other way to do it, is to pour in the prune juice over a cookie tray and facing down the sheet with the message, let it soak on the prune solution, and then we take it out, put it in another tray, and you can see that the message has been revealed. Her skeleton shall lie in the chamber forever. Tom Riddle. Now let's talk about a little bit about the scientific principles behind this experiment. Prune juice is an acid. It has chemicals that change color when mixed with a base. On the other hand, baking soda is a base. So the writing is revealed when the juice touches the baking soda on the paper, and just the areas that were soaked with the baking soda. I hope you will try this at home and have fun with your friends sharing secret messages. Bye! Hello again! I'm sure you have heard your science teacher said before, the light reflects in objects. But how do you know for sure? Let's find out. For this experiment, you will need gelatin, a laser point, and cookie cutters. Ask an adult to help you make the jello. Cut the gelatin once it's done and put it onto a plate. At this point, you have to go to a dark room. Let's go. Point a laser to the gelatin shape and you will see how the light reflects. It's getting into the shape at one angle and it reflects to the other one, you see? And depending upon the shape of the outer part, you can see that reflects even farther. We can try pointing from different angles and you will see the same behavior here. Sorry. You see how the light reflects according to the inner walls of the gelatin. Another example to show the reflection of the light is to point the laser to a mirror and we will see how the light reflects back. We can see the light reflected on the ceiling or on the wall, depending on the angle I use it. So this is another way to show the reflection of the light. Why this phenomenon happened? In the first case, the inside walls of the gelatin bounces back the light and reflect it on the plate. In the second one, we saw that pointing the laser to a mirror reflects the light back on the ceiling or on the wall. Thanks for watching, and remember never to point the laser at somebody's face. Bye, see you next week.